Fastener drive and recess types. Fastener drives and recesses refer to the shapes or profiles of the indentations on the head of a screw, bolt, or other types of fasteners. These drives and recesses are designed to accommodate specific types of driver tools, drills, screwdrivers, etc., for proper installation and removal of the fastener. The choice of drive or recess depends on factors such as the application's requirements, desired torque transfer, ease of use, and security considerations. Hex washer head. The hex washer head features hexagonal ridges on the head of the fastener. It requires a socket driver for installation. Hex washer head fasteners are commonly used in metal-to-wood or metal-to-metal applications. Slotted hex washer head. The slotted hex washer head features hexagonal ridges on the head of the fastener, as well as a slot. It requires a socket driver or a flathead bit or screwdriver for installation. Slotted hex washer head fasteners are commonly used in metal-to-metal applications. Phillips. The Phillips recess has a cross-shaped pattern and requires a Phillips bit or screwdriver. It was designed to improve torque transmission and to cam out the tendency of the driver to slip out when the driver reaches maximum torque, which saves the screw from being over-tightened or the head from being broken off. Screws with a Phillips recess are used across a wide range of construction applications. It is the most common recess used in construction. Star. The star recess, also known as the Torx, features a star-shaped pattern with 6 points, offering higher torque transfer, reduced wear, and far less risk of cam-out compared to Phillips or slotted designs. It is designed to not cam out. Star drive screws are often used in wood-to-wood, wood-to-metal, and metal-to-metal applications. Square. The square recess, also known as Robertson, has a square-shaped profile. It offers excellent torque transfer, reduced cam-out, making it popular in woodworking, decking, and other areas of construction. Combo. The combo recess incorporates a combination of multiple types of recesses or driver styles. The purpose of a combo recess is to provide versatility and compatibility with multiple types of drivers, allowing the fastener to be turned or driven using different tools. This can be useful in various situations, especially when access to tool availability is limited. For example, a combo recess might include features like Phillips, slotted, or square drive elements, giving you the flexibility to use different types of bits or screwdrivers. By having a combo recess, you can use whichever type of driver you have on hand that fits the recess, rather than needing a specific tool for that particular fastener. This can save time and effort, particularly in situations where you might not have access to a full range of specialized tools. Eye-lag. Eye-lag screws are fasteners with a lag-threaded body and a pointed tip, which is easier for penetration into wood or other materials. These screws also have an eye at the other end, allowing them to be used for attaching wires, cables, or hooks. Drive style. Going hand in hand with the type of fastener recess is the drive style, which refers to the specific type of tool or driver that is used to turn and tighten or loosen the screw. Different fastener recesses require corresponding drive styles for proper engagement. For instance, the Phillips recess corresponds to the Phillips drive style, which uses a cross-shaped screwdriver. The star recess corresponds to the star drive style, which uses a star-shaped driver. The hex recess corresponds to the hex drive style, which uses a socket driver. Factors to consider when selecting a drive style and fastener recess. Torque transfer and cam-out resistance. Consider the torque requirements of your application. Choose a drive style that provides effective torque transfer and minimizes the risk of cam-out, where the driver slips out of the recess. Drive styles like star and hex are known for their good torque transfer and resistance to cam-out. Material and application. The type of material you're working with and the application's demands play a significant role. For example, hex drive styles are often preferred for metal-to-metal applications due to their strong grip and reduced wear on the fastener. For woodworking, square, star, and Phillips recesses work well. Tool engagement and ease of use. Consider how well the driver engages with the fastener and how easily it centers. Drive styles like star and hex are known for their strong engagement and reduced risk of slipping. Availability of tools. Make sure the tools or drivers required for the chosen recess are readily available. It's essential to have the right tools on hand to ensure proper installation and removal. Project scale and complexity. The scale and complexity of your project can influence your drive style choice. For large-scale projects, factors like installation speed and ease of use might carry more weight. Industry standards and specifications. Certain industries or applications might have specific standards or specifications for drive styles and/or fastener recesses. Make sure your chosen driver and recess aligns with any industry requirements.